and I wanted to talk to you about information technology management and really kind of hammer out some of the details about the persona of the student and the type of engagement we can do to approach such student and really kind of determine if they're the perfect fit for the information technology management program. When we get into personas on this student, what we find out is the student range can typically go from age 20, 25 to it could be 40, 45 years old. This individual is really going to be one that's looking for career advancement, but we might also see some individuals that have the unique opportunity to kind of get into the field and want to start out at the bachelor's level. They're definitely going to be a problem solver of the mechanical type. They're going to be the one that gives that hands-on approach to everything they do. They're going to want to be able to install the software, manage the software, set up the servers, connect the wires to the network, and really build out that physical infrastructure for a computer network, along with all the servers and everything else that goes along with that. They're going to be process oriented and really follow the guidelines that are given to them. But at the same time, when problems do arise, they're also going to be that individual that can kind of really jump in and resolve those issues without worrying about looking for a secondary person to kind of help them out. They're going to have that professional demeanor and clean appearance. So they're going to already been in the field most likely and already dress the part of an IT professional. It does range for the appropriate dress. You could have something as simple as a t-shirt and jeans type individual, as well as someone that may already have a suit and tie. The range can be quite a lot in the field, just because the industry dictates, depending on what industry you're in, really dictates the professional appearance that you might need. They're going to like working with people that at some level, the people coming into the information technology management program are probably going to have had or will have help desk experience in their background. With that being, they'll already have that personable ability to interact with people. They're going to want to spend, or typically, after you engage with them, you'll find out they'll spend a lot of time with working with computers as a hobby. They're going to be perceived as that individual that is the go-to individual for technology issues and how to really resolve those within their own friend circle, and maybe outside of that they may have engaged in a level of repair or running their own business on the side even. To make that connection, we really want to engage with the student and talk about their thoughts on servers and networks. You can get to that point by talking about some industry trends, get their opinion on topics such as cloud computing and virtualization. Maybe talk about specific computer software or computer hardware. What's your thoughts on Linux versus Mac operating system versus Windows? How about your favorite desktop computer brand? Windows or HP, Dell, Compaq, IBM. Do you have any preference in servers or server equipment? When you hook up a network, I've posed a scenario where you're asking them that you need to hook up a network at home. What's their recommendation? Because most of these people, if you ask them and you work with them enough, you'll find out they've actually been that go-to person to set up networks and servers for their environment. A day in the life really is going to be pretty typical. You'll see an IT management professional ranging from a help desk individual all the way up to that individual that might include building networks from scratch, configuring computer and hardware, either in a local or wide area network topology. They're going to have a strong idea on organizational management when it comes to technology, how to put together a plan on what technology we need now and envision what we need in the future. This individual also is going to meet with stakeholders and really kind of determine that organizational infrastructure needs by listening to other department heads and kind of being able to assimilate that information, generic non-technical information, be able to put that into technical terms and be able to make those outcomes in a level of hardware software relations. But wanted to keep this really quick short IT management intro video. If you run into any questions, feel free to get in contact with me. I'm Justin Denton, and I hope you have a good day.